Hi guys! Hey guys, so I have class today at 10:30 and it is 9:59 na already. So I have to double time. Hala, ubos na yung aking serum. So this is like our first face-to-face class since second semester started. So last week, nag-report na ako. And ngayon, parang continuation lang ng report namin. But I think I have to like bring a blazer para like, sabi kailangan ko like formal attire. Parang feel ko ang kapal na mukha ko pag nakuha ko pang mag-sound trip ng nagmamadali. So forget to apply your sunscreen because mataas daw yung mataas daw yung heat index this week. Vitamins ko, which is stress tabs. It is 10:30 and I'm going to book na. Hi guys! Tapos na may klase na ba? Hindi mo namin sure kung may klase kami guys.
Ako kami yan, parang nag-usap na kami yan.
Pangalawang balik ko na here sa May and pangatlo na sa Kayatak. I'm so pagod. Hi guys! Gusto mo ng ano? Ng exposure or ng ano? Appearance sa vlog ko?
Vlog ka na?
Oo nga! Ay ka! Order! With my lovely coaches. With my beautiful coach. Most beautiful coach ever. Sit check guys. It is 9:35 p.m. and we are at Life Coffee with my son. So she's just studying and I'm just editing and some stuff for school and then of course we have to end the day with a match. So yeah. Okay, have a great day ahead.